So I received a bunch of boxes while getting ready for the ThePIGToo, and I haven't had time to open them. I do apologize about that, but, you know, a Pez convention and doing it, it's a lot harder than what it seems. Whew. Talk about taking all your extra time. But the videos are being made now. The videos are being released now. Well, while you're watching this. So, yes. Thank you for your patience. I appreciate it. What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh the Pez Guy on the ThePEZBook channel, which exists because of each and every single one of you watching. And I ask you to do me a favor. Questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. I wonder what I'm going to do with these. So until then.